put our name on a wait list for brunch. It's gonna be brunch at that time, but it's 45 minutes. We're literally about to go to this drink spot right here, and we trying to do these scooters. I don't know about these scooters, y'all. Yeah, but it's definitely active outside. I got information about the excursions that we're gonna do tomorrow and Tuesday, so I'm excited about that. I got an empanada, chicken empanada, and I got a rum punch, y'all. It tastes like rum punch. All it tastes is rum punch. You as well. Got my rum punch, y'all. We're about to turn into a damn empanada. We got that last night. We had empanadas last night, and we got empanadas tonight. I mean today. But that was just a little snack before we actually get breakfast. I got a rum punch. Jamaica has the best rum punches. I'm not sure what this is, but like I told you guys, we had a 45-minute wait, so we're just figuring out what to do. If we're gonna get on these scooters or walk around. I'll keep y'all updated though. Hey y'all. So it started pouring on us. Let me show y'all. I don't know if you can see, but it's pouring. I think y'all can see that. It's pouring out. So we came to the closest thing because we did have reservations, I told you guys, at the other place, but we was kind of far from it. So it started pouring and we found this close place because we would have been drenched. But it does say the rain stops. I do have an umbrella, so I know that I have to bring my umbrella everywhere because the rain is off and on. But it says it stops in 24 minutes, so hopefully by the time we get out of here, it stops. I did order some wings, and even though it is still morning, technically it's 11:41, but I'm just going to eat that for now. I got a ginger ale. I would have got a slice of pizza if they had slices, but everything is like build your own pizza, a big pizza. Y'all, we on the beach, and we just got, you know, bargained to get a pineapple with tequila shots in it. We tried a sample of it, but we tried it with rum, and she has tequila too. But yeah, we made it to the beach. It stopped raining. We here, living life, view. That's where we got the tequila shot from. Yes, thank you. Yeah.
83.
83?
Yeah. So,
how much is a Don Julio?
Don Julio.
The liquor store. We got our bottle. So we could stop buying these drinks because... Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. But we about to go to the pool, y'all. Literally just been chilling in a room for like 45 minutes. This is my outfit. It's pretty wrinkled, but I'm finna take this off real quick anyway. It's just to cover up. And I got these cheetah slides on. Super cute, super cute. I have retouched my haircut. We about to just go down to the pool, and then we might go to this little party, and then we're gonna take it from there. But yeah.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving really got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel good when I'm at work non-stop. You know cook more than I when I come back. Sometimes good, yeah, come out from that. If you walk but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down.
Hey y'all. So we walked on the water, but we just sat under the umbrellas. We're about to actually go in the water just for a little bit. What time is it? 2:47 right now. I could eat something, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off. I do need a juice so I can take a sip of my drink. But I'm about to just take a sip because I guess we grown. Y'all, I went in the freaking ocean. I look crazy. Hey y'all, this boy had me in the ocean, like literally in the ocean. Hair done came out. I look like this now, but it was really fun. Like I haven't been in the ocean like that since I was a kid. When I go on vacation, I be bougie, sitting back, feet in the water, that's it. So we just waiting for our food. We ordered nachos. Where's the receipt? We got nachos with chicken. We got a juice. Tell me why the juice was $10, bro. I got juice just to drink with my fucking liquor. And we got coconut flan. I really want some rice and beans. That's really what I'm in the mood for. After we got out of the ocean, we got in a pool. We got 2 pools. I didn't record nothing because there's a lot of people in the pool. Well, one of the pools. But I was really just enjoying myself. I lost my scrunchie, so my hair's in this. I'm about to do my hair cute though when I get to the room. Because my curls is pretty nice. But yeah, y'all. I'll talk to you guys when we get to the room. We're about to go and try to book the excursions right now. Oh, let me sign right here. Food came out. This is that, what was it? Flan, but what? Flan, but what was the flavor? Coconut flan. And we got these nachos. Salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and cheese. We decided to just eat it here. I'm looking at the ATV riding stuff for us to go to. That look crazy, y'all. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. And it's loud anyway, so you guys can't even probably hear me too well. I'm about to eat this food because I'm hungry. The only thing I ate today was some little wingdings and empanada, chicken empanada. My nose sounds congested. I know it's because that water from the ocean was smacking me, like really smacking. Hey y'all, I haven't talked to you guys since I don't even know when, but we're going to the function, one of the functions of the night. I put my hair in this half up, half down. I have this top on, a tube top, and these shorts, super cute, and some tan slides. To the party, Jerk Fest. We grabbing some food right now. I'm getting some food right now. You want it curry chicken? You want it curry chicken? Hey y'all. We left that other vibe and we came to the next one. We trying to scope the scenery out first, see which spot we want to go into because there's a couple spots. So we just walking right now. I got food from the other place, just rice and curry chicken. It was honestly alright. The rice was hard. The chicken was good though. Get out the street. Hey y'all. So we walking again. I'm so scared. I'm scared though. We was walking, we came to find these damn scooters. I do not want to ride these scooters. I'm scared. I really want some ice cream. Hopefully we can find some ice cream. Or not ice cream, I want like sorbet. It's pretty over here. What the hell was that, a cat? It's cute over here. What is that? Let me get some content for y'all. Y'all, tomorrow we're doing our excursions. We're doing ATV rides. What the? I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Look at my phone in my back. Y'all, let me show you the scooter. Let me show you the scooter we about to ride. Y'all, I'm actually very scared. And I have these freaking slides on. Like, I don't know no more. I'm definitely not vlogging while doing this because I will bust my butt crack. We about to ride these scooters. And please just pray that I find some ice cream because I really want some ice cream. We went to La Placita, the big club that people be talking about. But it's early. It's like only 9:35. And it's pretty dead in there. So we're going to do this for a little bit. And then we're going to go over there. And we're going to find some ice cream because I really want some ice cream. See y'all later.
Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass. We can go. Fuck with us and then we tweak it up. Run up on that nigga, get the squeeze it up.
Wait, can we go a little further down? I want to hear that. It's real loud, but we walked outside of the club so we can, you know, hit our little. But it's a vibe out here. It's so lit. Thank you. I got a flower, y'all. I got a flower. I'm feeling like drink a little bit. Like, come on. Come on. So we left from where we was at. We came to the store. Does this sound good? It's sorbet, but it's caramel cookie crunch. See the different snacks that they have so we can try it. Everything looks pretty much the same except for one thing we've seen. I've never seen this though. Double crunch jalapeno. Queso jalapeno. This is the one thing that we've seen that's different. We like plantain chips, but they have plantain sticks. Plantain sticks. Looking at the candy. If they have something I've never seen, I would get it, but I feel like I've seen everything. Seen everything. Cookies and cream what? Where? This? We all need somebody to lean. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we got from the store. But first thing we got was, we wanted to try something different, so we got plantain sticks. We got some forks and spoons. We got a cranberry juice. Got a water. always need water. I got this caramel cookie crunch gelato. I've actually never had this. Talentino, I usually get the raspberry or I get the mango. I've never got one like that. And then ice cream sandwiches. And then, okay, we both never seen these. These are probably back home. We just never seen them, but we got Kisses, cookies and cream. I have a feeling I think we got Haribo, the Twin Snakes, and then peanut brittle. This is like something my grandparents used to get, or grandfather for real used to get. Alright, so I guess the first thing we're trying is this. I really want my ice cream. That's really what I want. But I'm gonna try this. My camera is like tilted. I'm gonna try this. We about to watch Baddies. We about to watch Jocelyn's. This tastes like a Hershey's cookies and cream, right? I'm excited to eat this. Damn, where's my phone for the house phone? Alright, I'm finna eat this with y'all, and then that's it. I'm finna talk to you guys tomorrow. We gotta wake up early tomorrow. It's damn near 1 o'clock, right? I feel like this is okay. It's not all that. And I feel like it's because it's sorbet. Like if this is regular, I mean not sorbet, it's gelato. Alright, y'all. See y'all tomorrow morning. Guys, good morning. It is currently, what time? 9:05 in the morning. We are on our way to our excursion that starts at 10. It's like a 35-minute ride. We've been in the car for a cool 20 minutes, but we have 15 minutes to go. But yeah, we're doing our first excursion of the trip of the day. We have 2 booked for today. We have ATV riding and we have horseback riding, and they're at 2 different locations, 2 different times, but we're gonna have fun. First one is ATV riding, which we're gonna get really messy and then have to go to the next one, but I brought extra stuff, you know. Y'all, we made it. It's so pretty. We're trying to go and check in. Checking in. I got this fat ass bag because we out for the whole day.
2968.
I don't know. What should I get? Should I get Puerto Rico or should I get another color? No, you need someone's bigger frames. Hold on, y'all. I think I'm going these. I'm picking these, and I got the shiesty. So this is cool too. Y'all, we're checking in right now.
Right now, it hasn't rained.
Feel like a YN with this on.
I'm gonna go with a medium one.
Okay.
And then if it's too loose, try moving it side to side. Yeah, too loose. My bad.
It's okay.
I just wanted to make sure.
Mira, yo no quiero Raymond.
Yeah, ya andé.
Ahora, ¿quién es el próximo corto de Thursday?
Alright, guys. You guys.
Y'all, we about to start it up. Apparently, I paid for two drivers, and I'm sitting on the back. But I don't mind because this is what I thought I was doing.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me.
And I felt like I should have got a bandana instead of the fucking shicey because it's giving YN, and I don't, you know? I'm supposed to be a pretty princess, and I got this shit on my fucking. We made our first stop, yo. First stop.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Second stop. It's nice, so pretty. Ponytail flat and shit. We outside though. To the store, ordering food. Maybe. Yeah. It's pretty good, but I'm not a barbecue person. Hey y'all, so we finished riding. Now we about to get some food. These glasses is fire. We already ordered our food. We got our own drink, so we're not gonna get a drink right now. But I ordered rice and beans, tostones, chicken, and yeah. I'm about to look over my videos and stuff I took while we was doing what we was doing. But yeah, after this, we have horseback riding, but that's not until 3. We gotta be there at like 2:15, 2:30. So we're gonna chill here because it's only 11:44 right now. I'm about to go over these videos. Our food is out, y'all. This is mofongo with steak tips, sweet plantains. I got rice, beans, chicken, tostones. Y'all, look at the cat. They everywhere. They all over this. This is the first real meal we got. Everything else was like finger food. This is the first real meal, which is kind of crazy. As you can see, I'm fucking this shit up. It's a little salty, but it's not the worst. Got chicken? Try it real quick. Got chicken? Isn't that shit good?
Puerto Rico.
That thing is nice, seasoned, juicy. This combo right here. Ketchup, mayonnaise, tostones. But one bite. Hey y'all, you see I changed my outfit. We about to go horseback riding, y'all. We in the village. We got our helmets on. We about to ride horses.
Oh yeah.
Smell like ass crack out here. They weighing us right now to make sure we the right weight that we put on the app, and then we're about to get on the horses. This one's mine. So we on the horses. I'm actually super scared. This is the whole road. Me and you, horsey. Oh, we got the white horse. Let me show y'all my horse. Hold on, she trying to go at it. Eat, horsey. Don't try to eat. She trying to eat and shit. She's trying to be different from everybody else. Look at. Hey y'all.
We've been here for about 45
Came
minutes
back
now.
to the hotel and we went and booked our massage for Wednesday. It's Monday right now. We're about to get in the pool. It's like 6 o'clock. We're about to get in the pool. Hopefully it's open. We don't even know what time it closes, but we just pray it's open because 6 is pretty early. I'm about to do my edges real quick, even though I'm getting in the pool. Edges is key, so I'm just gonna do my edges. I done did my edges about 10 times today. I think I told you guys, right? But when I got in the ocean and my hair basically went bye-bye, which I knew was gonna happen once it was like at a certain point. I was like, oh yeah, this is coming off. And then I did it like a couple more times, and that last time I did it, it was done for. But even after my hair came off, I was still enjoying myself. Like I took my braids out. I only had 2 braids in, but I took my braids out. I just went simple bathing suit for today. I brought 5 bathing suits. So we'll see how many bathing suits I really use, which I probably won't use a lot. But yeah, I'm about to go get in the water right now. I'm about to take a shot and get in the water. This camera is about to die. I did not charge it when I got in the room, which I should have, but I am gonna charge it before we go out. The TV's off, but I'm about to take my shot. Okay, so you know, we got the Patron. We only have this much left, which is not bad. I think that's a shot, right? Let me turn some light on. Cheers. This is from the plane. This little bag. This is how much is in it. Yeah, I made it to the pool. It's actually such a vibe at night. It looks really nice. But I'm finna get in the regular pool first because I want to get in the hot tub, but people's in the hot tub, so I'm finna get in this pool. Let me show y'all. Ooh, it's a vibe. That's the hot tub right there. This is the pool. Good morning, beautiful people. It's the next day. It's currently like 10 o'clock. It's 9:50. We've been up for a good hour. I'm about to go out and start the day. Last night, we literally went to sleep and woke up at 2 in the morning and was really just chilling and talking. But today, we're about to go outside. We're going to Puerto real quick. We're actually about to leave the house. Leave the hotel right now. Yeah, so we're about to leave the hotel right now. I want to give you guys a quick outfit check. I got these two-tone shorts on. I got this top. This top is from Fashion Nova. These shorts are from Shein. This bag is from Shein. I got this pink bag, and I got all gold jewelry, which I don't know where my jewelry's from. This was gifted to me, this bracelet. These rings are from when I did my photo shoot. And these earrings, I really don't know where they're from. But yeah, we're about to go. We're about to go to the bank. We're about to go to find something to eat. And then we have snorkeling at 12. So yeah, we also have to book one more excursion for the day. And then we're gonna go out tonight. We was trying to go out last night, but we literally happened to both fall asleep. I haven't worn no makeup on this whole entire trip, which is actually not what I thought would happen. But it's cool. I still look good. Let me do my eyebrows real quick. I did wake up with this pimple on my face, which is sad because it's right in the middle of my freaking face. We took those shots last night, sat on the porch, and if you know, you know, but sat on the porch and came in the room and laid down and fell asleep, which was not the plan because it was only like 9:30. We was going to give it to like 10:30 and then go out because that's when it got lit last time or the day before. But I mean, it is what it is. We still gonna make the best out of today, which is our last full day. Tomorrow we're here for like a couple of hours, then we have to get on the plane. But yeah, let's go. Oh, let me show you guys my outfit in the mirror. Don't mind this, but it's our outfit. Shorts. I got these slides on again, and I changed my purse, which I don't know why it's leaning. But yeah, changed my purse. This is the bank we're about to go to so I can put my money in my card. It's right by our hotel. Our hotel's right down there. This is the strip. Alright, y'all, so I got the first thing, which is fruit. It's not the fruit that I was honestly looking for because it just looks like bananas and apples, and I don't know if this is lemon or orange, but it's yellow. It's definitely an orange. I got this, pancakes, and then I just ordered tostones, which is like fried plantain. That banana is good. I haven't had a pear in a minute. Thank you. I found what I like though. Got that pineapple easy. Started eating, but I just got pancakes and tostones with the best dip. That's my other food. I got rice and beans, chicken, tostones. We're just eating real quick. We got an hour till our excursion. Our hotel's right down the street, so we just gotta walk back and grab our bathing suits. These bugs are loving me. I honestly think it's my perfume because they keep landing on my skin, and I already have 6 mosquito bites, probably more. But yeah, these shits, I really think it's my perfume because they're not attacking you. Oh, the water's right here too. don't know. I mean, that's what the tour is, so I would hope so. Hi. Yes, I am.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl.
Finished with the turtle tour. Snorkeling with the turtles. It was 0. I mean, it was like a 4 out of 10. We're at an ice cream truck.
Agua,
Yeah, uno. How much?
serían 6.
Huh? 6. Oh, I like that price. Y'all, so we made it to a different beach than where we was at when we went snorkeling. Did a little setup here. We're at this beach. It's actually a lot of people for it to be a Tuesday. It's a lot of people. But we got these drinks. This is a Don Q rum passion fruit drink. Truthfully, I don't taste no liquor, but she says there's 2 shots in there. I don't know. This one is a coconut Don Q. This one is definitely better, and I definitely taste the rum. I'm about to get in the water though. This is cold. And I'm seeping through.
But